Escape to Narnia. Welcome to the magical world of Narnia. This is a land of mythical creatures and talking animals. Narnia is the setting of the best-selling series of fantasy books by C.S. Lewis. This world also comes to life in films such as 2005's The Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Let's meet some of the unusual creatures from the land of Narnia. Aslan, the Great Lion, is the creator and king of Narnia. He has got magical powers and uses them for good. He is very wise and kind, but he can also be quite dangerous. One of Aslan's loyal followers is Reepicheep, a talking mouse. He may look small, furry and cute, but he is a brave knight who can fight very well with a sword. Narnia has some fascinating mythical creatures too. Griffins fly about high in the sky. These magnificent creatures have the body of a lion and the head and wings of an eagle. Griffins are soldiers in Aslan's army, along with centaurs. These are also strange creatures that are half man and half horse. They can run quickly. They are very clever, so they are often generals in Aslan's army. Not all creatures in Narnia are good though. Minotaurs are enemies of Aslan. They are quite frightening creatures. They have the body of a human, but the head of a bull. Minotaurs are stronger than the other animals in Narnia. Another terrifying enemy of Aslan is the talking wolf, Mogrim. He is the leader of the wolves in Narnia, and he can be extremely dangerous. Narnia is an adventurous place, full of fascinating creatures. Why not read the books or watch the films to see for yourself?